back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So as you can tell from the title of today's video, you know I'm super excited about this one. I'm always so excited about sharing with you guys. But today, in today's video, I am going to share with you our top 5 must-have items for a baby shower. So you guys know it if you're planning a baby shower anytime soon, or if you're an event planner, designer, or decorator, grab your pens and pencils because I am going to give you guys some gems on today. So the first thing that you need to have at any baby shower is, of course, a stunning backdrop. Not just any backdrop, a stunning backdrop. You know my love for backdrops. I started out doing baby showers with the first backdrop that I ever created was using a piece of fabric and 2 pieces of poster board, and I just shared that with you guys recently. And now we do some super extravagant and amazing backdrops with fabric. But now, like flower walls and balloon walls, like, you know, those are really trending, and I've incorporated a lot of those into our backdrops, and I can't wait to share with you guys some stunning backdrops that I have coming in. So we'll get to unbox and open those together. But yes, you need an amazing backdrop for your shower. Even if you're doing a drive-through shower, a great backdrop will certainly set the stage for that. So if you guys are interested in some of my backdrop resources, I will leave them down in the description box below. Number 2, specialty chairs. I am loving specialty chairs, not just the throne, the king and queen chairs that we've been using for the past few years, but I think the peacock chairs and the rattan chairs and just the O-back chairs, I mean, all of those different specialty chairs add such an amazing touch to baby showers. And eFavor Mart now even has like the clear chairs that you can use your Cricut to like monogram the back of the chairs for the mom and dad to be, and focusing on the mom to be, you know, for me, having that special seating just makes it all the more special. It's such a value added aspect to any event, and it just makes it look so luxurious. So yeah, for me, my number 2 must have is definitely the specialty chairs. So yeah, I think at one point, I'm going to do a chase. You know, like the old school chases? I'm going to do one of those. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, so moving on to number 3. The third must-have on my baby shower list is a balloon garland and the balloon boxes. I ordered some from Amazon a while back that I'm going to be using for my cousin's shower. But you know the ones I'm talking about, you know, the boxes that have the word baby and you put balloons on the inside. I love those so much. I am also loving all of the mosaic letters where you put the balloons in to fill them in. I'm just a stickler for all of those. So yeah, the balloon garlands, the balloon walls, the mosaic letters, the baby boxes filled with balloons, all of that is a plus for me. I'm also loving balloon runners and balloon centerpieces, like the floating cloud centerpieces with like the bear hanging. All of those things I just think adds that it adds on to that babyish element, that playful kitty type element, so that your event, you know, will definitely feel like a baby shower and not like a wedding or something like that. So I do love having those pieces because not only are they budget friendly, but they are also very beautiful and they create the perfect ambiance for your shower. Now moving on to number 4, and that is your dessert station. Like, what is a baby shower without an amazing dessert station or dessert tables or dessert columns or dessert pedestals, whatever you want to call them? I'm really seeing them a lot these days, especially the dessert columns and pedestals versus the entire dessert table. And I'm going to tell you like my personal reason for loving these a lot. Number 1, since the pandemic, we have had to have like individual serve things and wrap things. And I think by doing a pedestal, it makes it a lot easier to do that. Number 2, I like the fact that it adds a different design element and dimension to your room, and it doesn't require as many desserts as a dessert table once did, because you know, on one pedestal you can put like your cake stand and put your cake there, and then on another one you can put cupcakes, and Another one, you can put your Rice Krispie treats, and then that's it. But when you had a dessert table, you had to make sure that table was filled so it would not look empty. So now having these columns, you can just have one column, you can have two columns. I just really like it, and it's a lot easier to incorporate like the cake. If you have a really nice cake, it's really easy to incorporate that cake into your photos, like your backdrop for whether your mom to be and the dad to be sit, the guest of honor sits. So I think it's really cool to have those. I know that eFavor Mart had some clear pedestals that I bought, some mirror ones I have, and they also have them in gold and they have them in clear as well. But they look really good and they are collapsible. So I did a video on that. So I'll try to find that video and either link it in this video or down in the description box below. Okay. So moving on to number 5. And the 5th thing that every baby shower must have is not just an original or dynamic creative theme, but this. And that is a beautiful color palette. I absolutely love playing with colors. I love mixing and matching textures. And at a baby shower, you get to have a lot more creative freedom, in my opinion. Like for baby showers and, you know, other social events like birthday parties and graduation, to me, you get to have a little bit more creative freedom than you would at a wedding. So by me loving, you know, adding dimensions and colors throughout with the linen, it just gives me an incredible opportunity to mix and match and play with different color palettes. So yes, you have to have that with a baby shower. Start with that color palette and run that theme or that color palette throughout your entire shower. The invitations, the linen, the backdrop, you know, whatever you're doing, allow it to present that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 must-have items for baby showers. I would love, 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 love for you guys to tell me your top 5 must-have items for baby showers and or social events down in the comments below, especially if I didn't mention it in today's video. And I'm going to jump down in the comments as well. And I want to, you know, to kind of interact with you guys. I try my best to respond to as many comments as possible. But I also want you guys to respond and mix and mingle with each other, because what I want to create here is a safe community for us to talk to each other and to grow together. So I cannot wait. I'm going to go down to the comments. I will see you guys down there in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you're not a member of the Lux for Less family, I welcome you here wholeheartedly. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching again. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!